Okay, so for this question, let's see. We know we're working with an exponential model. It tells us a growth model. I see that the initial value is 1400. So we're going to try to y equals ab to the x. So I know the initial value of the y-intercept is 1400. And then they're telling me it increases at a rate of 12.8% a year. So to find b, I'm going to take 100 and I'm going to add 12.8 because it's increasing and divide that by 100. So that gives me 112.8 divided by 100. Remember, just move the decimal point over 2 places to the left. Let's see. So 1 point. No, I didn't do that right. Just a minute here. We had too many ones. Because I moved that decimal point 2 places to the left. So that's right. So that's my growth number. That's my B number, my factor. So we know y equals 1400 times 1.128 to the x power. And then they're going to tell me what's the population going to be in 3 years. Well, because the unit is a year, we don't have to do anything fancy. All we have to do is go 1400 times 1.128 raised to the third power. And we'll get that answer and we'll type it in. So let's see if I got this right. So an exponential growth model is going to be, let's see, I've got a p of x, so I don't have to write y equals. So 1400 times 1.128 raised to the x. Okay, I like the way it looks. And then what's the population going to be in 3 years? Well, I could fire up a calculator. Let's see, do I still have that Google calculator here? I do. So I'm going to clear everything, don't mess it up. And I'm just going to type in 1400 times 1.128 x to the y, 3. And of course, it does order of operations for us. So I think the population is 2009. What do they want? Round to the nearest student. So 3 rounds down. So 2009 is, I think, what the answer is going to be. Let's see if it likes it. Yep, okay, so far so good. That's how you do this problem.